Hello, so welcome to East Barnet School's Design and Technology faculty. This is the best D&T faculty in the world, and we just happen to be the lucky ones that head it at the moment.
Yay.
So in D&T, if you choose to come to East Barnet, you will have an amazing experience. The facilities we have here are greater than you will get in most schools in the country. At Key Stage 3, which is year 7, 8 and 9, you will have dedicated food lessons every year in specialist food rooms. You will have specialist textiles lessons where you get to learn how to use a sewing machine, and you will make juggling balls, a cushion and a hat, and the kids love it. You will have a lesson every single week in the workshops here. You get to become master of working with wood, metal, polymers, electronics, robotics. You will also master CAD/CAM, computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacture. So we've got laser cutters, we have 3D printers, which you'll be using. Now, if you love the subject and you decide you want to become a future engineer or designer, you can then opt to take one of our amazing range of subjects at GCSE, which include food, textiles, product design, graphics, engineering. After GCSE, we also have a very broad range. At A-level, you could choose to take A-level photography, design engineering, fashion and textiles, or product design. And then we have students that will go off to university and study a whole range of different courses from engineering, industrial design, product design, fashion, textiles, illustration, architecture, and the list goes on. But it is an absolutely fantastic school with regards to D&T. Mrs. Chandler.
Thank you. So on top of all those amazing experiences, we have a huge range of enhancement clubs that you can join. So we have a textiles club where you start off making small things, and depending on your machining skills, you go on and make your own clothes. Then we have product design, where you can design and make anything you want, but there's also a range of products that we have a go at making, such as the gumball machine, doorstops, bee boxes, and going on to small furniture. Then we have Photoshop Club, which is fantastic, and you learn to manipulate your own photos or other people's photos and enhance them. And then we have Film School. Film School is amazing. We've got professionals who come in to support you, and you write your own screenplay, then you act in it, and then you film it yourselves, and then they will edit it for you, and it goes on into a cinema up in town. Big gala performance where you can invite all your family. It's fantastic. Then we have Props Club, where we make all the props for the local shows here in school. So last year we did Bugsy, and it was fantastic. We made 2 whole cars, and they were fun and awesome, so that's really good to do. So have a look at those online. And of course, we've got the Vex Robotics Club, which is nationally and internationally fantastic and has won so many awards, including Mr. Sadler, who's won the Best Teacher Award. So yeah. Come and join us. You're going to have such a good time.
The best D&T faculty ever.
Absolute best.